Welcome to the Vijayanagaram online school, and once again welcome to the today's English class, and welcome students. Today we are going to talk about another interesting topic, and I think you are all ready. Okay, let's get started. So before starting this class, and you have to draw such type of diagram, map like this on your notebook. So all of you please open your notebook and draw such type of diagram on this diagram on your notebook. See, first of all draw a circle in the middle of the sheet and then draw 4 lines, and after this lesson I will ask you to write down something on these 4 blocks and you have to write down. So today we are going to talk about a city which is very famous, and also it's a tourist place also, and what is the famous around the city, and what are the things and what are the places are there around the city. I think you know very well about the city, and I am going to reveal. Okay, let's move on to the topic. So today we are going to talk about Horsley Hills. Horsley Hills, you know, is called as Ooty of Andhra Pradesh. Horsley Hills, I think, have you ever visited Horsley Hills? Yes, well done. So I am also not yet visited, and so today we are going to talk about Horsley Hills. What is the special of Horsley Hills, and what are the places and the people related to the Horsley Hills. Okay, so we are going to talk about this. So Horsley Hills is a famous tourist place, and is called as Ooty of Andhra Pradesh. And because of why it is a tourist place means it's a hill station. You know, it's a hill station. I think the Horsley Hills means you know very well Kondalu. So Horsley Hills means the place was located on hills, top of the hills. So you know very well this hill station means the weather is always cool. So it's a hill station, that's why the weather is always cool. So it's very cool. So that's why the most and many people are going to visit in summer, especially for the cool weather. So you have to remember that Horsley Hills is a hill station. So whether the Horsley Hills, the weather is very cool, always cool at the Horsley Hills. So the W.D. Horsley, so a British collector, built his home around 1870, after whom it is named. That's what. So why the Horsley Hills name got that? So you can see the Horsley is a name of the British collector who was worked in the year of 1870, and when the Britishers were ruling our country. So the name, the collector name W.D. Horsley. So అతని నేమ్ పేరు మీదుగా మనకి ఈ హిల్స్ ని హార్స్లీ హిల్స్ అని నేమ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. So W.D. Horsley, a British collector, built his home around 1870, after whom it is named. So he built a building on Horsley Hills, then it's named as Horsley Hills. So there is a famous place is there, a Galibanda called. Galibanda means a big rocky slope is there. I think you are watching in the a video. There is a big rock is there. There the people used to sit and climb there. So you can get the strong winds and high. The air is blowing through the rocky bund. That's what people enjoying the strong winds on sitting on the Galibanda. So on Horsley Hills, Galibanda is a famous place and people used to visit there. And the Horsley Hills located a historical town at the Madanapalli. The town name is Madanapalli. It is located in Chittoor district. So Madanapalli, near Madanapalli to Horsley is located, and Madanapalli is an historical town. Because of why it is a historical town, we will see later. So the Horsley Hills located near the Madanapalli town. So, and you know the Madanapalli, there is a biggest tomato market is there in Asia. So in Asia continent is there. So in Asia continent, the biggest tomato market is there in Madanapalli. and there is a famous place, it's called courtyard, where the Janaganamana translated from Bengal to English. That's what I am saying. Madanapalli is a historical town. Why I am saying historical town means, so there is a place, it's a courtyard. I think it's a school in the time of Britishers. Its name is Courtyard, where the Janaganamana, you know where Janaganamana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It is our national anthem. So this Janaganamana at first was written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali. So from Bengali to English, it was translated in our Andhra Pradesh state, especially in the Madanapalli town. So that's why we are calling Madanapalli is a historical town. So you know very well, you have to observe that and you have to identify that the Janaganamana, our national anthem, was translated from Bengal to English at the courtyard of Madanapalli. So, and you know very well, Rabindranath Tagore is known as for his poetry, and he wrote national anthem Janaganamana. So he wrote the national anthem Janaganamana, and he was translated the Janaganamana from Bengal to English in our Andhra Pradesh state at courtyard of Madanapalli. Already we talked about and discussed about that. So Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem, and you have to know about that, he translated the Janaganamana from Bengal to English in the courtyard of Madanapalli. And she is Margaret Cousins, you know, she is Margaret Cousins, who she is credited with composing the tune for our national anthem Janaganamana. So Margaret Cousins is an educationalist. I think she is wife of the principal of Courtyard at the time of translation. So she gave tune for our national anthem Janaganamana. So that's what the Madanapalli is a historical town related to our national anthem throughout our country. So Margaret Cousin, who gave tune to our national anthem, and she is credited for composing the tune of the national anthem. So here you can see. So here I told you to write down such type of diagram or table in the beginning of the class. I hope you all have written this and draw this table. Like in between the circle, you have to write down city and village name anila rayandi. So now we are talking about the four components about the Horsley Hills. What are these? We will look into that. Here, area and weather. What is the area and weather of the Horsley Hills? How is the area and weather? And what are the famous people related to? Who are the famous people related to Horsley Hills and Madanapalli? And what is the famous places? What are the famous places related to the Madanapalli and Horsley Hills, and the food and culture of the Horsley Hills? So now we are going to talk about these four components. The first one is area and weather. You know very well, Horsley Hills is a hill station and tourist place. Like it is a hill station and tourist place. And second one, it's an historic town. Already talked about that so many people are related with the Horsley Hills. And the weather is always cool because of it's a historic hill station. That's why the weather is always cool. And coming to the famous people, already we have talked about the W.H. Horsley. He is a British collector. And Mr. Margaret Cousins, an educationalist who gave tune to our national anthem, and Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem and translated the national anthem from Bengal to English in Madanapalli town. And the famous people, you know, W.H. Horsley, famous places. W.H. Horsley bungalow is there, and Galibanda on the top of the Horsley Hills, and Madanapalli town is a famous town. Its biggest tomato market is there, in Asia's biggest tomato market, and the courtyard where the Janaganamana was tuned by the Margaret Cousins. And you know the food and culture is famous for tomato, mango, groundnut and tamarind. So these are all the four components about a city. It's a Horsley Hills and Madanapalli town. Now what I am going to tell you that now you have to write down about our Vizianagaram city and town in these four concepts. So what is the area and weather, and how is the area and weather of our Vizianagaram town, and who are the famous people related to our Vizianagaram town, and what are the famous places or in the Vizianagaram town you can visit and you want to visit and take photos at the places, and what is the famous food and culture about the Vizianagaram town, like that. So you have to write down, and you have to write down, like here you can see I gave you an example. I will show you a picture of Vizianagaram town. So here you have to talk about, you can to write about these four components about the name of the famous people like that belongs to Vizianagaram. I will give you an example like that. It's a so many famous people are there. Gurujada Apparao garu, Ramurthy Kod Ramurthy garu, and Ghantasala garu, and Susila garu, and PVG Raju garu, and Adibhatla Narayan Das garu. So many famous people are there, and you can add some more people if you and ask your parents and teachers also. And some interesting places are there. You know, Vizianagaram Port is there, and Clock Tower is there, and Music College is there, and Ammavari temple is there, and Gurujada's house is there, and see, like so many places are there in Vizianagaram you can write about, and you know very well about other so many places, and Ramatirtham temple is there, like Chintapalli beach is there, like you can take so many, you can write about the Vizianagaram town and city also. Then and the interesting traditional arts and culture like that, you like a tiger dance, it's a famous dance when you can see, and at the time of the Ammavaru festivals, like the sword fighting, the katti fighting is there, you can see when the festival is going on, like here. And biryani, the famous food, and chaat and kava sweet, you know very well. So many sweets are there you can eat and enjoy when you visiting in the Vizianagaram town. So the today's class is a homework for you to write about the Vizianagaram town. What are the famous places, and who are the famous people, and what is the famous food, and what are the culture, what is the culture and traditional arts are there related to the Vizianagaram. So now we have talked about Horsley Hills. Horsley Hills is a hill station, and there is a Galibanda is a place is there. It's a big rocky slope is there. Horsley Hills is named after the British collector W.H. Horsley, who built in a building for his office at the place of Horsley Hills because the weather is always cool. And Horsley Hills is nearby in a Madanapalli town. It's a historical town because of the national anthem Janagana was translated from Bengal to Hindi, and also national anthem tuned by the Margaret Cousins and the Madanapalli town. So, and there is a biggest Asia market, tomato market is there in the Madanapalli town. So I hope today's class is interesting, and you have to write down about our town Vizianagaram. Thank you one and all.